You want to be in the intro? Okay, well, you're in it right now. So, see you in a second. Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing wallpaper on this wall cutout back here behind me. And I asked you guys on Instagram if this was something you wanted to see, and you said yes, so I am going to film it for you. I got this wallpaper on Amazon. I can't remember how much it is a roll, but I'll link it below. I think I paid $35 for all of this, so that's not that bad. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough though, so I guess we'll see if it works. I figured I wouldn't have to order as much because there's that huge window and I can use the leftovers for the other spots, but I don't know if that's gonna work. I don't know how it's gonna work trying to line up the design too, so it'll be an interesting process. I'm gonna have my husband help me with it, but yeah, let's get started.
I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor.
I don't want to do this anymore. This sucks.
Hunter never reads the instructions. You start at the top and go down.
Boy.
That's just how you do it. Okay, so this is the design. Hunter is going to get a ladder, but we're a little bit worried because our wall has a lot of texture, so I'm not sure how this is going to work, but this is the pattern. It kind of looks hand-drawn, but that's what I picked out. So, has a weird texture to it. I think it looks cute. I guess we'll see.
In my way. Well, let's measure this, cut it in strips with an extra inch.
No, because that will mess up how the pattern connects. So you measure the wall, cut your panel.
Yeah, theirs is easy.
Uh-oh.
And they have a squeegee.
See, they have an X-Acto knife.
We don't have that.
Should we go get it?
You want a little bit of extra though, but you're 90 and a half.
90 and a half, okay.
Will you pull that out?
Yeah.
That's it.
That's the whole roll?
The whole roll.
So we probably won't have to cut that much.
Hold it.
Okay. Ah!
Oh, sorry.
My makeup.
My shirt.
So, in the professional videos we watched, they used an X-Acto knife and a giant squeegee, and we are using scissors and this thing that Hunter found somewhere.
It's for phone.
It's for a phone screen. So we're off to a great start.
My arms aren't long enough.
So get off. Get off.
Stupid.
Should I just leave it?
Yeah. Ta-da! It's done.
All done. So it's not working with this. So we're gonna go buy a bigger squeegee. The texture on the walls is showing, so that's lovely. We're back. We got a squeegee and an X-Acto knife, so hopefully we can whip this out. This might end up being a 2-day project. What are you doing back there? That's great for the audio.
I'm juggling.
Okay, well, hold still for 1 sec. So it started working a lot better with the squeegee and the X-Acto knife, but we did end up having to trash this entire panel because cutting it as you go does not work. We just started over and we cut it before we put it up and it worked a lot better. So a lot has happened. We almost gave up.
I can't do that.
No, I'm not putting that in. This is family
Why is it wet
friendly.
right here?
Hey guys, we're back. So we've actually done a lot. We finished this first strip. We almost gave up though because it was not fun. I think it's hard because it's such a little space and there's like 2 corners right by each other. Stop. 2 corners right by each other. But after that, it was actually pretty easy on these panels. The only problem is it's supposed to line up every couple inches, but it's just, I think we're just lazy, but we're just not having it line up. So this is where we did it. It looks fine. I mean, we could have made it better, but let me show you how easy it is to put on once you're away from the corners. So you just stick it on, and then we got a shower squeegee so that it was a little bit softer because our wall has texture. And you literally just peel the backing off and just go like this. Ew, that was a bad example.
Oh, bad.
If it has bubbles, then you just peel it back up and do it again.
Don't mind selling out or playing cover song, just as long as friends and family sing along. And I don't need more money or a faster car now. Don't need a magazine to call me a superstar now. I'm gonna take this little house and make a home, and then I'll never have to face my nights alone. 'Cause in my heart I hear Spain.
Okay, so it's finally finished. It took us forever. So it made a ton of creases in the wall. And I don't know if it was because it was Amazon wallpaper and not one of the more expensive sites, but I think if we would have tried a different site and paid more for it, it would have turned out better. But for the price that we paid, I think we paid $30 total. And so for that, I feel like that's a good deal. And I'm happy with the results. It's definitely not perfect. And I'm gonna show you where I messed up. Come over here. So this is the final wall with all of our decorations up, the books and the lamp, and the bed has been moved back and everything. And I'm actually really happy with how it looks. The only part that really stands out right away is up here behind the lamp. Can you see that?
Yep.
So we were trying to figure out a different way from the other side when we tried, because that was super hard doing that whole piece. So we decided to cut it into 3 sections, which was a lot easier on us, but it doesn't look as good up on the wall. So you can definitely see where we cut the piece, and also down here as well. And this one's even worse because it's going the opposite direction, but we were running out of rolls of paper, so we just went with it. And I think from far away it looks really good, but when you get close up you can kind of start seeing the imperfections. Like, for example, if you look right here, can you see the bubbles?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so there's some bubbling on the wall, and I know you can get like a pin and kind of poke it, but that's basically how it looks. And from far away it looks really good, so I'm happy with it. Would I do it again? I don't know. It was a pain in the butt and was not a fun project, but I probably would have because I like the results of it. So if you're looking for a challenge, I would suggest this. It definitely would be easier if you did it on a wall without a window. So if you're thinking of doing that, definitely do it with a plain wall. But yeah, we're really happy with the results, and thanks so much for watching. I will see you next week. Bye!